What's up, YouTube? It's your girl, Sonya Lauren, and I am back with another banger. Okay, y'all, in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I apply my Gel X nails. So if you guys are like me and you're saving your coins, honey, and doing them yourself, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more video content like this. Okay, I'm so excited because I will be trying out Apres neutral tips. So let's go ahead and get into it. Boom, y'all, let's do it. So I am using these Apres Gel X neutral tips in the shape Coffin in the color Mia. So I am super excited. I actually purchased these off of Amazon, so check out my Amazon storefront if you want to purchase them too. So I'm going to take this cuticle softener / remover and basically take my tool and push my cuticles back. Next, I'm going to take this tool right here and I am going to cut off all of that excess from my cuticle that I just pushed back. So I then go in and use a nail filer to file my nails. I kind of filed them in a coffin shape, but not for real. Don't overthink this part at all. As long as the nail tips for each nail matches from sidewall to sidewall, or I should say, as long as it fits from sidewall to sidewall, then you're good. So as you guys can see, I'm going through and I'm seeing, does the nails match sidewall to sidewall for each finger? The next thing that I am doing is I am taking each nail tip and I am just making sure that it fits my nail perfectly. So please remember that you never want to use a tip that's too small. You need to use a tip that's bigger and then file it down to fit your nail. And so that's what I'm doing because some of them were a little bit too big. So I'm just shaping them to fit my cuticle area perfectly. Next, I am taking the Apres Gel X Prep. And this is basically going to chemically etch the inside of the nail so the gel can adhere better to the nail. Does that make sense, y'all? So this is really a good thing to have. I do recommend getting it. I actually got this one from their website, but it just helps because it's way less of a mess compared to me using my nail drill. So I definitely recommend doing it this way, and it works just as great for me. Okay, so now I'm taking my pH bonder and my primer, and I am coating each nail with one of each. Okay, so now I'm going to take the nail glue, but it's really nail gel, not nail glue, and I am going to coat each of my natural nails with that nail glue / gel. After I coat it, I put it under the UV light for 60 seconds. You want the gel to kind of be sticky and tacky when you're done. And then I take this UV light and I am going to cure each nail individually. So I'm getting the nail glue, I'm putting it on the nail tip. I still don't know how much I need, and honestly, with the neutral tips, they're already colored so you can't see underneath. It's a blessing and a curse in this instance, but I just made it do what it do, y'all. And my nails are still going strong, and it's about 2 weeks later. So just do what you gotta do. It takes practice. You got it. But don't you want to save them coins? Period. So you gonna get it right. Okay. I put a good amount on there. I go ahead and lay it from my cuticle area, not on your cuticle, right above it. Since the nail tip is not clear, I can't tell whether or not the glue is rising to the top of my natural nail as it should. But I just took a guess and then flash cured it under the UV light. And then I just go through and I do the rest of my nails. So with this, you want to flash cure for 2 minutes. And that's just so the gel underneath can cure properly. Because it takes a little bit longer, like processing time, if that makes sense. So you want to make sure it's cured. And then after that, I put my whole hand underneath the big lamp for about 3 to 4 minutes. So again, I would say 3 to 5 minutes each hand once you're done putting on each of the tips. After that, I go ahead and I get my nail drill. This is where I pretty much just clean up all the excess glue that I got on my nail. It happens every time. I'm not a professional yet, and I've been doing Gel X for probably 6 months now. I don't even know. But I've been doing it for a good little minute now, and I still haven't figured it out. But it's fine because I'm going to keep trying until I do. But I go in with my small nail bit. Again, everything is on my Amazon storefront if y'all want to know what this is. And then I go in with my buffer. And this orange buffer is like, I use this to buff everything. I need a new one. So you guys will see me switch from orange to yellow, but it's the same thing, girl. It's just a different color, okay? So I go in, I buff, and for some reason, buffing helps. Like, you're supposed to buff your nails anyway, but it really helps to get rid of some of that glue. Not perfectly, like y'all see me go in with this tool, because that glue was harsh, honey, okay? It was not coming off. It did not want to come off, but I went in with that tool and I kind of like took my time and cut it off. But buff your nail. It's looking good already, as y'all can see. After I buffed my nail, I went right in with my nail file. So these are coffin shaped, so I made sure I stuck to that shape when filing it. I took my sparkly nail polish from Beetles, which definitely love. Again, Amazon storefront. But yeah, I took the sparkly one out of the pack and I put it on my ring finger because ever since I was younger, that's how I get my nails. So I love it, y'all. And then with the other nails, I went in and I used my clear nail polish, y'all. So super simple. Went in with the clear, period. I will say with this clear nail polish, if I were to give y'all any advice, it would be to make sure that you go over it like 3 times, 4 times, 5, 6, how many times you need. Because what I realized with the Apres top coat is really good, don't get me wrong. But what happens is it can cause bubbles, it gets bumpy. Like I had some dried up gel in the polish. It's just a lot. So make sure you go over it enough times before you put it under that light, because once you cure it, it ain't no going back. And boom, y'all, here go the big reveal. So my phone ran out of storage, so I didn't record the rest. But basically, I painted the other hand with the clear polish and the sparkly polish on my ring finger. And then I cured both hands under the light for 3 minutes. So you want to do one hand and then do another hand. And my overthinking self, I always just do it another extra minute just to make sure it's dried all the way. But what do y'all think? I think it looks amazing. My first time doing the Apres neutrals, and I love it. OMG, coffin shape is just my shape, y'all. It matches my fingers. I just love it so much. Definitely recommend it. Let me know what y'all think. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you want more content like this. Love y'all.